Hello guys, welcome to my video project. I make this video to explain what that I make it this project for subject Grafika Komputer. Okay, before we start, let me introduce myself. My full name is Ilham Samuel Silahooy. You can guys call me Ilham. So my student ID is 2506080028. Okay, we gonna move to this explanation about what I make it. First of all, let me introduce the project that I make it. This title of this project is Solar System Animation using Python and Pygame. In this project, I create a simple but attractive animation of the solar system. The main idea of this project is to show the sun in the center while the planets move around in circular orbits. This animation represents how planets revolve around the sun in outer space. In this program was created using the Python programming language, especially with the help of the Pygame library. Pygame library is useful for creating animation, simple games, visual simulation, and this project I use the Pygame to draw the planets, create their movement, display the text, and make the animation run constantly. Now I will explanation the appearance of this program. When the program is created, we can see the dark background that represent other space. The dark background is black or dark blue, so it gives the impression of the space. I also add many small white dots. This is you can see the small dots. Um, there's make me appearance or the represent the star in the sky. So I make the stars the display more interesting that make the animation look more like the real universe. In the center of the screen there is the sun. The sun is drawn with a bright yellow color because in the real solar planet system the sun is the main source of the light and energy. The sun is placed at the center because all planets in the solar system revolve around it. Around the sun, there are seven cellular orbit lines. You can see there's a seven cellular orbit lines. There are eight planets in this animation. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each planet has its own name display. Narrate this is important because it helps the viewer. If you can see this, the close of the each planet have the name. Now, the name move together with the planets. So when the planets revolve around the sun, the label also follow them. The first of planet is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. In this animation, Mercury has the smallest orbit because it's placed nearest to the Sun. Mercury also moves faster than the other planet because it's very closer to the center. We look here, the Mercury is very close from the Sun. So make the circular orbit of the Mercury is really good and faster if we can see to the other planet. Now, second planet is Venus. Venus is shown after Mercury. It has a slightly bigger orbit than Mercury. In this animation, Venus moves around the Sun at a moderate speed. The third planet, we can see the Earth. Earth is planet where we live. In this animation, Earth our color blue is represent the water and the atmosphere of Earth. Earth revolves around the sun just like the other planets. The fourthly is Mars. Mars is often called the red planet. So in this animation, it is shown with a red color. Mars has a longer bit than Earth. Fifthly is the Jupiter. We can see this. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. In this animation, Jupiter is so large that the inner planet, its orbit, is also farther from the sun. And the sixthly is the planet we call the Saturn with the ring. The Saturn is famous because of its ring. It is my animation. I also add a ring around the Saturn to make the easier to recognize. This makes Saturn look more unique compared to the other planets. Seventhly is the Uranus. Uranus is placed farther away from the sun. In this animation, Uranus has the blue or cyan color. This Uranus. And lastly is the Neptune. Neptune is the farther planet in this animation. It has because the largest object from the sun because it's very far away. Neptune moves more slowly compared to planet closer to the sun. Now I will explanation how the movement works. The movement of the planets is called revolution. Sorry, revolution. Revolution means the movement of the planet around the sun. So if we look here, the planet are make a movement to around the sun is called the movement. It's called revolution. Now, the position of each planet is calculated using trigonometric function. Explicitly is cosine and sine. These functions are used to create cellular movement. The x-coordinate of the planet is calculated using cosine, while the y-coordinate is calculated using sine. The basic idea is that every planet has the angle. The angle of the angle changes constantly while the program running. When the angle changes, this positioning of the planet also change. As a result, the planet appearance move around the sun. Each planet also has different speed. We look. Mercury is faster than Venus faster than Earth faster than Mars faster than Jupiter faster than Saturn faster than Uranus faster than Neptune, like that. For example, Mercury has small orbit and high speed, so it's move around the sun quickly. Meanwhile, Neptune Neptune has a large object and a slow speed. It so takes more time to complete one revolution. In this program, the animation runs inside a loop. This loop keeps updating the screen many times per second. Every time the loops runs, the planet position are updated. The screen is clear and all objects are drawn again. This process creates smooth movement. The program also includes control key. The user can press space as you can see on the screen. If I click the space, the the if I press the space to pause and continue the animation, the user can press up and down key to increase the speed of the planet too, and draw draw down arrow key to decrease the speed. There there is also a reset button using the R key to reset the speed, and the S key can be used to close the program. I can show it because if I click the X and my screen recording are that too. And the control make the animation more interactive. The user is not only watching the animation but able to control the speed of the solar system movement. From this project, I learned several important things. First, I learned how to use Python and Pygame to create a visual animation. Second, I learned how to draw objects such as circle, lines, and text. Third, I learned how to use mathematical formulas to create movement, especially circular movement. Fourth, I learned how to transformation and animation can be applied in computer graphics. In conclusion, this program system animation shows the sun in the center and 8 planets resolve around it. The animation includes a space background, stars, orbit lines, planet name, and interactive control. The purpose of this project to demonstrate how we can use Python and Pygame to visualize the solar system in a simple and interesting way. In this presented about the solar system and animation project. And for the last word, I want to say thank you for attention to the watch this until end this video. And I want to say thank you, and maybe that's all that I can explain about this project. And thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom. Om Santi Santi Santi. Om.